We are one people, one nation, indivisible. And if it is about the mountain, I want you to know, you may not have known that, but through the work of Canon Karanja, who was the provost of this church, and wazee walikutana wote wakasema tuunganisha hata jamii zote closer. You cannot now jamii zimekutana, Wakamba, Waembu, Wameni, Wagikuyu, ni jamii moja. So how will you divide them? It is not possible. So let me tell them the truth. So kama watu wanaishiwa na akili, they should not divide, because you move from that and then you unite the whole nation.
Pray for His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. Pray for His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Pray for Sifuna. Pray for everyone that is on that team. Hii wakati wanaketi chini, kama vile popo huwa anachaguliwa, we need to see white smoke. Tujue huyu ndiye anapeleka Kasongo nyumbani, ndio tujue huyu ndiye rais wetu kuendelea mbele. The Constitution 2010, the President has violated the Constitution.
This country needs honest leaders. This country needs people caring leaders. Leaders that care about the people. We have suffered a lot through this regime that we find ourselves in.
Unity is strength. And I'm not talking like that because His Excellency is here. He has been tried, tested, and proven.